Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. For example, if you try to create a new account on your Apple ID on your iPhone and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have restarted your Wi-Fi router and your internet connection is working properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to simply go back. What you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are logging into account or not. And if you are already logged in, then you have to simply first of all log out from your account, and after that you have to simply try to create the account. But if you have already created one account on your iPhone, then you have to wait for some time and try to create another account, because iPhone doesn't support multiple accounts creation on one iPhone. So what you can do is you can simply create account on another iPhone, and after that you can simply log out or sign out from that device. And after that you will be able to create login and sign in that iPhone. Otherwise you will not be able to create account on iPhone which has been already created account. So which means you can only create one account on one iPhone, so you have to make sure about that. But if you are trying to do so, then you have to try to connect to the Apple Store and ask for the solution, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also discuss this problem in the Apple discussion forum, and after that you will get any of the solution from the Apple community. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.